Oh yeah, we are at the end of a fantastic week here in Slovenia. A small country, but with huge potential for cyclists.
Today we are at the Goni Pony race.
It's extremely hard, and especially you can't change the gears.
Ciao amici.
So this is going to be the famous Slovenian terrain. This cave looks like in a movie.
But it's so cool here. It's really cool here. I love it. This is such a good place to revitalize.
I never have been that close of here, but they are leaving, they don't love me, but hopefully someday we'll come back.
Hey, I'm looking forward to riding electrical bikes.
I think I will put this thing on my BMX.
Secretly, I'm a cheeseaholic. Nice and strong.
Traditional Slovenian food like božička. Can you remember? I can't remember that. Podeška, I think.
My name is Zhuzha.
It's incredibly green and super peaceful.
It's almost like a fantasy world for me. It's what I would imagine reading a book's all about, and I'm really enjoying it, and it's a really unique part of the world.